Rana Tanveer Hussain. Rana Tanveer Hussain Urdu Hussain, born 1 October 1949, is a Pakistani politician who has been a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan since August 2018. Previously, he was a member of the National Assembly between 1985 and May 2018. He served as Minister for Defense Production and Minister for Science and Technology in Abbasi cabinet from 2017 to 2018. Previously, he served as the Minister for Defense Production and the Minister for Science and Technology in the Third Sharif ministry. A leader of the Pakistan Muslim League N, Hussain previously briefly held the cabinet portfolio of Minister for Defense Production during the Gillani ministry in 2008. He has previously served as Parliamentary Secretary to Ministry of Finance, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Finance from 1997 to 1999, as well Parliamentary Secretary to the Prime Minister. Early life and education. He was born on 1 October 1949 in Sheikhupura, Punjab. He received a degree of MA in Economics and LLB from the Punjab University, Lahore. Political career. Hussain started his political career in 1983 when he became district member of the council in Sheikhupura. He was elected as member of the National Assembly of Pakistan for the first time in 1985 Pakistani general election as an independent candidate. He later joined Pakistan Muslim League. In 1990 Pakistani general elections, he was re-elected as member of the National Assembly for the second time. In 1993 Pakistani general elections, he lost the seat of the National Assembly. In 1997 Pakistani general elections, he was re-elected as the member of the National Assembly for the third time. From 1997 to 1999, he served as Special Assistant to then Prime Minister of Pakistan Nawaz Sharif on Finance. In 2008 Pakistani general elections, he was re-elected as the member of the National Assembly for the fourth time from two constituencies, an Aminis 131 and an Aminis 132. He vacated an Aminis 131 seat to retain an Aminis 132. In 2013 Pakistani general elections, he was re-elected as the member of the National Assembly for the fifth time. In June 2013, he was appointed as the Minister for Defense Production. Later, he was given the additional portfolio of Minister for Science and Technology. He had ceased to hold ministerial office in July 2017 when the federal cabinet was disbanded following the resignation of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif after Panama Papers case decision. Following the election of Shahid Khaqan Abbasi as Prime Minister of Pakistan in August 2017, he was inducted into the federal cabinet of Abbasi. He was appointed as Federal Minister for Defense Production for third time. In November 2017, he was given the additional cabinet portfolio of Minister for Science and Technology, after which Minister of State for Science and Technology, Mir Dostane Khandamki, stepped down in protest. On 3 May 2018, in a cabinet reshuffle, he ceased to hold the office as Federal Minister for Defense Production upon the dissolution of the National Assembly on the expiration of its term on 31 May 2018. Hussain ceased to hold the office as Federal Minister for Science and Technology. He was re-elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of PML and from constituency and Aminis 120 Sheikhupura Roman II in 2018 Pakistani general election. References